So that is our red, orange, yellows, and greens. Again, very happy so far. Very happy with what I'm seeing. Let's go to the blues. Now, there's more colors than what I have. I was just able to only get these colors at this point for a couple different reasons. But there is more blue shades, there's more green shades. But give you an idea, here's the blue families. Let's start off with the pastel royal blue. Okay. Hmm. So, how would I word this? I think the easiest way to say is it's kind of got almost an iridescent shine to it because it will look great as a blue lightsaber. I think it would look great as almost a leather look for comic book characters like the Cyclops in this. Oh, I think would look excellent. Again, I'm impressed with how well they twist. Now, one thing I have noticed, and this is not a big deal because most of the time you're not going to do it on purpose anyways. Where I just twist, you can see there's a little bit of a line in the actual coloring, which is a little bit more defined than um, what I remember from other brands. But again, unless you're purposely undoing your twist for some reason, you're not going to have that. Now, my question is especially with Qualtex, their blues, my hands would always be dyed blue by the end of the day of twisting a whole bunch. So far, I mean, again, it's just a couple balloons, but I don't think that's going to be as big of a problem with this brand. But royal blue, I like it.